My name is Michael Scott, and I'm the branch manager of the Los Gatos Dunder Mifflin branch. I love my job. There's nothing quite like it. I love all my employees. Oh, except for Toby. He's our HR. I hate him almost as much as I hate physics, which is the only subject in school I failed, besides algebra and calculus and chemistry and biology. But by far, physics is the worst. I hate physics.
Hey, Michael, want to shoot some hoops?
One of the other things I love about working here, my wonderful salesman, Jim. And we love basketball, don't we, Jim?
Yeah.
All right, let's go shoot some hoops.
All right.
Beginner's luck, Jim. Hit me. I've been making these all week.
Usually hit those. Don't know what's up with me. I usually make those. Hey man, I think you need to work on your projectile motion a little.
My what?
Your projectile motion. It's something I learned in high school, and I think that you could use it here to improve your ball game.
What does it do?
Basically, a projectile is anything that has been projected into motion and stays in motion due to its own inertia.
Oh, so anything in motion is a projectile?
Almost. Anything that only has the force of gravity acting upon it, like this basketball, is a projectile.
Oh, so like a plane in the sky being propelled by a motor isn't a projectile, but me shooting this basketball is.
Right. Anything that's a projectile moves in a parabola motion. So if you work on making a parabola when you throw your basketball, then you'll improve your ball game.
So how'd you learn how to do this? It's really helped me in my basketball skills.
Oh, I just learned it in my physics class during high school.
Physics? I hate physics! No! No!
Oh, cookies. Michael, you want one?
Not now, Cookie Monster.
What's wrong?
The warehouse messed up our last shipment. They got the volume, density, and mass wrong, and this didn't go out on time, and we lost a bunch of clients.
Mass, volume, and density, but that's so easy. Take this cookie, for example. I know that it's 8 grams, and that its density is 4 grams centimeters cubed. Based on that, I can calculate that the volume is 2 centimeters cubed. I can do this based on the equations density equals mass divided by volume, mass equals volume times density, and volume equals mass divided by density.
Kevin, you're a genius. So do you know how to find the mass, density, and volume for anything?
I mean, anything I can consume. I love knowing that.
Well, thank you so much, Kevin. I'm so glad you taught me something. Maybe now we can get these clients back and this order can go out on time.
No problem. It's just something I learned in my physics class.
Physics?
Yeah.
No! I hate physics! No! So bored. Nothing to do.
Hey, Michael, I need you to sign these documents for me. You've been putting them off for the past few weeks, and the deadline's today, so you need to sign them.
You know what, Pam? No. Life should not be about just signing documents, okay? Look at this. This is disgusting. No. You know what? I'm going to do something fun and adventurous because that is what is living life, not signing these documents. What should I do? Something crazy. I got it.
Wait, Michael, come back. You need to think about what you're doing. Michael, where are you?
I'm up here, Pam.
Michael, get down from there.
No, Pam, this is what we talked about. I need adventure in my life. I'm not just going to sign documents all day. I won't do anything dangerous, don't worry. There's a trampoline on this side. I'll land on that.
I remember learning about this in my physics class during a kickoff question, and it was just like this, and I don't want you to do that. You need to think about many other factors, including your velocity, the height of the building, your acceleration, and the distance between you and the trampoline. There are so many things that could go wrong.
Pamela, you're overthinking this.
No, I'm not. We need to use the equations for acceleration due to gravity to make sure that you're safe. Good thing I still remember the equations. Delta x equals at squared plus vit, and delta x equals vt.
Oh dear Lord, Pam, I'm gonna be fine.
No, we're going to figure this out, Michael. This building is 12 meters tall, and your initial velocity is 0 meters per second, which means we can eliminate it from the equation. And Michael, how far would you say the trampoline is from the building?
Hold on, let me check. I'd say it's about 5 meters.
We also know that your acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared, but we also need to find out what your velocity and time are in order for you to hit the trampoline. If you don't go at a certain speed, Michael, you could die.
Wow, Pam, I never thought about that. I guess jumping off a building can be kind of dangerous, shouldn't it? I guess I should come down now. Thank you so much for saving my life, Pam. I had no idea that physics would help me today.
It's no problem. I think you need this.
Do you want me to read this?
Yeah, it has a ton of information that I think can really help you further in life.
I've always been so against physics, but I guess today it really helped me. Maybe I will go and read this.
Good.
Wow, I've read every page of this physics textbook and I totally forgot how much I need physics in my life. I want to go teach the whole office about physics now. Let's go!
Michael, come help me! I need you!
I'm coming, Kelly. Kelly, what's the matter?
The mirror is broken!
Oh, Kelly, the mirror's not broken.
But I need to be able to see myself all the time! And it's upside down!
There's actually a really simple reason why the mirror's upside down, Kelly.
Can you fix it?
Well, I don't know if I can fix it, but I can try explaining it to you.
How?
This mirror is actually a concave mirror. It's okay, it's okay. It's the only kind of mirror that shows your real image, and your real image is upside down.
Ew.
Unlike a convex and plane mirror, a concave mirror will show your image upside down.
How do you know that?
Well, today a lot of people in the office have been teaching me physics, and I used to hate physics, and then I realized how useful it is. I also learned that light plays such a big part in being able to see your reflection in a mirror.
How?
I learned that light has many particles, light travels very fast, light rays need to enter your eye before we can see an object, light cannot bend, light only travels in straight lines, all these really important things that light can do.
Wow, does that mean we can fix the mirror?
I don't know if we can fix it, but we can sure try buying a new one.
Thanks, Michael, you're the best!
Oh, you're welcome, Kelly. Dwight, I have a very special task for you.
Anything for you, Michael.
Oh, thank you. You're such a great assistant to the regional manager.
Michael, I think you mean assistant regional manager.
Dwight, that's actually not a real job. I hope you know that.
Fact! Dwight is assistant regional manager.
No, Dwight, you are assistant to the regional manager.
Fine. Well, I think that the most powerful man or woman should be the assistant regional manager.
Well, how do you think we should find out who the most powerful and manliest man or woman in the office is?
I don't know, we could have a beat competition, Battlestar Galactica competition, or bear competition.
Ooh, I have an idea. I learned about it while reading my physics textbook. We could find out who has the most power. To find power, you can do work divided by time, EPE divided by time, GPE divided by time, KE divided by time. We can go in the gym and figure out who has the most power right now.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
It's on. Get ready to lose.
Get ready to lose?
The first thing to finding your power is to find your GPE. The first thing to find your GPE is to find the total height that you'll be traveling. I know that each bleacher is 0.15 meters, and we are running up 10 bleachers, so 0.15 times 10 is 1.5 meters, and that is our height. The next step is to multiply that by our mass in grams. Hey Dwight, do you happen to know off the top of your head what your mass in grams is?
Yeah, 58 grams.
Whoa, me too! No! Dwight, it's okay. The next step is to multiply that by 9.8 meters per second squared, okay? Okay, so what you're gonna do, and then I'm gonna divide that by your time. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna run up these bleachers and run back down, and I'm gonna time you, and then we'll divide that by your time, and you'll figure out your power. And if you have a larger power than I do, you will become assistant regional manager.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Behind the line, mister.
Yeah, okay. Ready, set, go! All right, Dwight, your time was 5.4 seconds, and my time was 4.8 seconds. So that means, I have a larger power than you. I'm sorry, you did not get the position of assistant regional manager. No! Another great day going into work. I just Whoa! Meredith, are you okay?
hit me with your car. What do you think? Darn it, I was hoping you wouldn't bring that up. Are you okay, though? I don't know. It's okay, everybody. I, Michael Scott, the driver of the car, the person in the car, was safe. I am fine. I am still alive. Thank you for wondering. I am fine. Fine. What? Why? Well, because of Newton's first law of motion, Meredith, which clearly states that an object in motion will stay in motion, and an object at rest will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. I, along with the car, was in motion, and when I stopped the car because of you, I was still going in motion because of the momentum I had. But the seatbelt I was wearing protected me and stopped me from flying through the window of the car. The seatbelt saved my life.
I don't wear seatbelts.
I think you should start wearing one. It could have saved your life, too. You're like dead on the floor now.
I wasn't even in a car.
It's still your fault. I was wearing a seatbelt. I was safe.
Learned so much in one day. I went from hating physics as much as I hate Toby, our HR, to loving physics and helping other people with their problems because of physics. Such a great day.